Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Asif Reza. I am a student of Daffodil International University in Software Engineering Department. Today I will discuss my project. My project name is Puzzle Key. First of all, the goal of my project. Since we all live in digital Bangladesh now, so we all know about internet uses. So using this internet, we can easily solve the problems of our daily life with that in mind, plan this project. Secondly, objectives. What is objectives in my project? Bringing all the people live in the village or town together through one portal so that it is easy for them to solve all kinds of problems. And since we are dreaming of a digital Bangladesh, so if we do not do this at the last moment, we will actually fall far behind. Those of us who lives in villages or towns are all under unions or municipalities or city corporations. For example, those of us who live in a village are under the union, and those who are at the district or upazila level are under the municipality or city corporation. So the solution to any kind of problem in our daily movement or surroundings but comes to us from these institutions. The purpose of my project is to make it easier for us to solve these problems. Now I will tell the social impact of my project. Some of the problems are encountered along the way may be too small or too large. The big ones are solved by the city corporations at their own risks, but there are some small issues that are not solved because they are not noticed again. In the case of those of us who live in villages, we usually have to apply to solve any problems, big or small. This is a problem for many people, so we often do not take any action or say refuse in those who can solve it. That's why this problem is not solved and someone else after us faces the same problem. But if we had a medium through which we could write a description of our problem or take a picture directly to those responsible, I think it would be very easy to solve, and for this we do not have to leave our own work and uh, run to solve the problem. this this will save our time, and any solution will be released very fast. Number 4, outcomes. What is the outcomes in my project? First of all, it saves our time. Our problems will be solved very fast, and those who are in charge of solving our problems, they will be able to know the problems very easily. Due to which they can take action very quickly. We already know about these apps called our national emergency number 999 or RAP to report. We can use these apps to easily report any kind of crime or any kind of problem to the administration. As a result, they can act very quickly, and of course, we can do so in secret or with our identity. This is exactly how anyone can solve his problems through this website and see his progress report and how far his work is going. And finally, contribution of their work. Those who will contribute here are registered user, non-registered user, staff, and thank you my project supervisor Nusrat Jahan ma'am, and my honorable all teachers who helped me to complete my project. Thank you all.